Hey everyone, this is Nick from Us versus Herd. Today we're going to be going over how you can get started trading with $0. Now that means zero risk, zero of your actual money will be going into the account. A lot of people ask me, hey, how can I start trading? How much money do I need to start trading? Can I start with $50? Can I start with $200? Do I need 2,000 or 10,000? And my suggestion to them pretty much every time is do not risk your own capital, because pretty much you're going to start trading, you're going to be learning how to trade on your own funds instead of paper trading, which I'll show you. You're going to be trading on your own funds, and 99% of the time, there may be that 1% guy who does well, but you're going to lose all your money pretty much every single time. So instead of risking your own cash, I'm going to show you how you can get started trading on the real market with $0. So to do that, we're going to be using the Thinkorswim platform. If you don't know what Thinkorswim is, it's owned by TD Ameritrade. It's one of the best platforms out there right now for stock trading, options trading. And with this, they have an option, it's called Paper Money. Now, to get started with them, what you want to do is you want to go on the Thinkorswim website, and up here, you can see register here for Paper Money. Practice trading on Thinkorswim without risking a dime. So what you want to do is you go there. Most likely, if you're new to trading, you don't have a TD Ameritrade account. So what you want to do is here is select no, and then pretty much just fill out all the information. They'll review your account. I would suggest just checking all of these that you want to paper trade. I would just say check all of them, because you just want to, if you want to dip into Forex or futures and just kind of learn everything, it's easier just to do it during the sign up process. They'll send you an email how to sign in, and you'll be good to go. Now with that, I'll give you a quick overview of the Thinkorswim Paper Money app here. Now there's a couple of things to note. With the Paper Money app, you are given $200,000 in capital for trading on the simulated trade. As you can see up here, it says simulated trading. Right now we are in after hours, so the markets aren't going to be too active. But as you can see here as well, it'll say delayed data. So just keep in mind, with the Paper Money, you're delayed 20 minutes. You aren't trading live, but I mean, if you're just learning how to trade, that's fine. You don't need real time. You can learn how to execute trades and learn how to actually use the software. And what's pretty cool about the paper trading or the Paper Money app here is it's pretty much the same thing as the real Thinkorswim app. Actually, if you were to log out of this, you can log in and you can switch between Paper Money and live trading. And you could also use their mobile app. As you can see here, I do have a Forex trade here. And just as a disclaimer, if you're trying to do a fill, it may not fill at the best price, and it's not always the most accurate. But if you're just learning how to trade, it does give some good comparisons. We can go through it real quick here. They do have some. Let's say we want to look up SPY, which is the S&P ETF. As you can see here, there's some nice graphs. You can customize a lot of different things. You can add studies. And like I said, this is pretty much the same thing as the real Thinkorswim app. It's just you're not using real money, and you are delayed about 20 minutes. So you can check out all the features. You can get comfortable with the Thinkorswim app, and that's kind of what they want you to do, is to grow to like it, try to like it, and see how it goes. For me personally, I back test some strategies. So if you're looking to not only learn how to trade, but you can start to back test strategies. So if you want to try a new strategy in the market, you're not sure how it will go, you can actually switch over to the Paper Money app. The Paper Money account, and execute the trade on Paper Money and see how it goes. You can also use the Thinkorswim mobile app as well and trade on Paper Money. So when you're on the go, you can do it as well. It's pretty nice. So you can go through these. I'll do a breakdown in another video later of all the different things that you can do. The other thing that I thought was cool that I wasn't aware of initially before the video, but you could also stream. They still allow you to stream CNBC in the Paper Money app. You get news. So it's pretty fully functional, minus that it is delayed 20 minutes. So like I said, you can get started trading here. If you want to execute a trade, you can look up options. Just loading here, and loads all the data here. You can customize this, and if you want to only show instead of 4, you can show 25 strike prices. If you want to trade some stocks, we can go over here. Now this is the futures, but we can Apple, pull up Apple here. My computer's not typing, but you can pull up Apple here. You can create a market. Right now we're in after hours, but you can see you can buy a market order here now. You can edit it. Set up a market order. You can set a limit order probably. Yep. And you could try, stop losses, stop limit, trailing stops. So this is a lot fully functional. So a lot of those people that are new traders who are trading in Robinhood and not sure and want to get comfortable in trading on a real platform, I definitely suggest going to thinkorswim.com, clicking on the paper money icon up here, and just register for an account, and you really have nothing to lose, and you get to learn how to trade. So I will put a link below on the if you're too lazy, to the Thinkorswim Paper Money application for you to get started. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like the video if you found this of use. Subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of videos coming out. It's always us versus herd. Join us.